At ang susunod ay ang pop movie theme song.
Song! Okay! At someday, naku, aabangan ko sa sinehan ang iyong first kiss. Someday.
Definitely.
Okay. Ang ating naman theme song na...
Pop movie theme song, it is no surprise, A Very Special Love.
A very special love!
Sarah?
Sarah. Naku, si John Lloyd, you're so lucky. Napakaswerte naman ni John Lloyd.
Once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta ng A Very Special Love sa Viva Records, Star Records.
Maraming salamat Star Cinema, and once again, Direk Cathy Garcia Molina, ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ganitong ka-successful tong movie na to. Thank you very much. And kay Carmi Raimundo, yung sumulat. Maraming salamat. Okay, kiss mo na ako, bilis!
Okay, at last, congratulations, Lloydie and Sarah.
Well, the fans have spoken.
Pop movie.
Pop movie! Alam mo, masyado ka ng busy. I-date mo naman ako minsan sa spectacular showdown sa Music Museum.
Definitely, mo.
Or maybe a movie as wonderful as this one. Dinarangalan nila ng favorite nila pop movie, A Very
Special Love! Huwag ka na umalis doon, Lloydie.
Salamat. Well, this time gusto kong pasalamatan ng ASAP Pop Viewers Choice 2008 Awards. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you po. Direk Cathy, thank you. Kay Boss Vic, Star Cinema, thank you po.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Lloydie and Sarah. Thank you, Mommy.
Bye, anak!
Grabe naman yung mga
Congratulations
pagkakataon.
naman sa lahat
Yes.
ng ating mga winners.
Si John Lloyd, Sarah, and Bea.
Oo, nahinakot na lahat ng awards.
Oo.
Pero,
Ay, ano,
next,
umalis
mga
dun.
kapamilya, oo nga, dapat na rin sila nakasantay. More of Pop Your Choice.